me sometimes when you and I collide. I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown.